Are you feeling like your relationship has lost some of its spark? Maybe you've noticed your partner's attention drifting away. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Relationships go through ups and downs, but there are ways to rekindle the flame and get his attention back. In this article, we'll explore 11 effective tips to help you reignite the connection and bring the focus back to your relationship. 1. Communicate openly and honestly. Effective communication is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Sit down and have an honest conversation with your partner about how you're feeling. Share your concerns, fears, and desires, and encourage him to do the same. Understanding each other's needs is essential to regain his attention. 2. Quality time together. Life can get busy, and sometimes, couples drift apart because they aren't spending enough quality time together. Plan regular date nights or activities that you both enjoy to strengthen your bond and remind him why he fell in love with you in the first place. 3. Surprise him. Surprises can reignite the spark in your relationship. It doesn't have to be extravagant, even small gestures like leaving sweet notes or preparing his favorite meal can make a big difference and show him that you care. 4. Self-care. Don't forget about taking care of yourself. When you feel confident and happy in your own skin, it can be incredibly attractive. Focus on your physical and emotional well-being, and he'll be more likely to notice the positive changes in you. 5. Be supportive. Show interest in his passions and goals. Being supportive and enthusiastic about his endeavors can make him feel valued and appreciated. It's a surefire way to get his attention back. 6. Rediscover shared hobbies. Think back to the activities you both enjoyed when you first met. Rediscovering these shared hobbies can help you reconnect on a deeper level and bring back the excitement you once shared. 7. Spice up your intimacy. Intimacy is a crucial aspect of any romantic relationship. Experiment with new things in the bedroom to keep the passion alive. Open communication about your desires and fantasies can lead to a more fulfilling connection. 8. Be understanding. Life can be challenging, and everyone goes through tough times. Be understanding and empathetic when he's facing difficulties. Your support during these moments will strengthen your bond. 9. Maintain independence. While spending time together is important, it's also essential to maintain some independence. Pursue your own interests and hobbies, and encourage him to do the same. This will make the time you spend together more meaningful. 10. Surprise him with kindness. Random acts of kindness can go a long way in getting his attention. Surprise him by doing something thoughtful, like leaving a sweet note in his lunch or taking care of a chore he dislikes. Small gestures like these show your love and appreciation. 11. Seek professional help if needed. If your relationship issues are deep-rooted and persist despite your efforts, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide valuable guidance and strategies to strengthen your connection. Conclusion: approximate 80 words. Reigniting the spark in your relationship and getting his attention back may require effort and patience, but it's entirely possible. By following these 11 tips, you can create a more vibrant, fulfilling connection with your partner. Remember that every relationship is unique, so adapt these tips to your specific situation, and most importantly, cherish the journey of rediscovering the love and connection you share.